BB Threshold Training Network. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do a summer dessert. Seeing as the weather's been so good, I thought it'd be nice to do something with ice cream. So I'm going to go with a recipe that my sister Tara has given me. So all they need is 3 things. And this dessert is so easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. So it's Vienetta ice cream, or Lidl's version, which is called vanilla. I think that's what it's called, vanilla. Gianni's vanilla ice cream dessert. Some strawberries, which I've just prepared and chopped up, and some meringue. Okay, so you can make your own meringue, or you can just kind of buy the next. And all you're going to do then is you're going to combine those 3 ingredients together into the one glass or serving dish. So I've got glasses here for this. And it's basically kind of like an alternative version of Eton Mess. So I just thought I'd share 2 facts with you today as part of this video. The first one is that the longest wedding veil in the history of wedding veils was actually longer than 63 football fields. That's right, longer than 63 football fields. It was nearly 23,000 feet, which is the same length as just over 63 football fields. And this was by a woman in Cyprus, and she actually made the Guinness Book of Records. So the second one then is that the unicorn. So the unicorn is a mythical animal for those of you that don't know, and it is actually the national animal of Scotland, which is amazing. I actually really like that. I want to move there now. So there are just 2 fun facts for you today, just as part of this video. I hope you can maybe share them with your family or your friends. Back time over. So let's get going. Okay. So we're just going to we're going to get a bowl, and we're just going to crumble up our meringues. Okay, let's just get a glass bowl. Okay, get a glass bowl, and we'll crumble up some meringues. Oh, look at these juicy meringues. So these meringues are quite small, so I'm going to probably use about 4 of these. Now this will probably serve 2 people. 2, 4, 6. Maybe I'll use a little bit more. Right. What we got there? No, 4 is enough, I think. Okay. So we have our meringue in there, and then we have our strawberries. So I'm just going to sprinkle my strawberries over there. So alternatively, you can use fresh cream as well to make eating better. But this is summer edition. So how's everybody doing? Okay. And then with my Vienetta, so all I'm going to do is just I'm just going to slice it up into thin slices. Okay, and I'm going to just put that on top there. Throw that in with my strawberry and meringue mix. This is going to be delicious. And then there's not much really left now to do, and maybe 1 more slice. I'm being a little bit generous. Ideally, like if you're making this, it's probably nice to make a big huge bowl, like use your whole Vienetta, whole bunch of the strawberries, all your meringue nests, and maybe you can make it then for 4 or 5 people, and that, or 2. Just get that back into the freezer, make sure it doesn't melt on me. Okay. Now, so get a spoon, and we're just going to mix those Eton Mess up with the strawberries now and the meringue. Mix it all together, and the strawberries are so delicious. Strawberries are in season now, so they're nice and sweet. When I was chopping them up earlier on, it nearly felt like as if it nearly tasted as if there was sugar on the strawberries, which sometimes people do in the winter time when strawberries aren't in season, and if they're not that sweet, you can put a little bit of icing sugar on them just to kind of sweeten them up. But these obviously won't need anything like that. And with the meringue, it's going to be very sweet. Okay, so this is basically like one big mess in a bowl. True to Eton Mess. Okay, so you just have your strawberries like that, and you can add in other fruit if you want. You can add in raspberries or blueberries, whatever it is that you want. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to fill up these glasses with Eton Mess. One. Whoa. Okay. Okay, this is actually a perfect amount for these two glasses. Okay. Again, just to decorate, just two whole strawberries on the top. And there you go. You have your Eton Mess deliciousness. So give this a go at home and let me know how you get on. Let me know if you add in any other ingredients, but this is absolutely delicious and you'll have a fun time making this. Put a bit of music on in the background. Maybe you have your barbecue going in the back garden. I have some burgers and sausages in the oven now. So I'm going to stick these in the freezer and then I'm going to have them after my dinner. So enjoy everybody, enjoy the sun, and I shall talk to you next week. Bye bye.